Hi, I'm Clint Wyckoff, Technical Evangelist with Veeam Software. You've likely virtualized many of your mission-critical applications and services. However, maintaining control and visibility of these virtual assets has been a long-time challenge that has faced IT professionals. System Center Operations Manager in the Veeam Management Pack provides true app-to-metal visibility of your VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, as well as your Veeam backup and replication environments. In this feature video, we'll show you just how the Veeam Management Pack, along with System Center Operations Manager, fixes these key challenges. Let's take a look.
The Veeam Management Pack for Microsoft System Center Operations Manager provides detailed information regarding your Veeam backup and replication, Hyper-V, as well as VMware vSphere infrastructures. The default and out-of-the-box alert, event, state, performance, diagram, and dashboard views allow you to drill into your specific applications and services that you have likely virtualized. Within our Veeam for VMware Management Pack, we can see here that I'm able to drill into my ESXi and my VMware vSphere infrastructure to get the necessary level of information as it relates to my applications as well as my bare metal hardware. This is what we call app-to-metal visibility. Here we can see I have my ESXi hosts. We're able to leverage the SIM provider inside of your ESXi host to get information as it relates to your HBAs, network cards, memory, physical CPUs. We're also able to drill into those specific hosts and see the virtual machines that are running on here. Here we can see I have a virtual machine that has an error. By navigating over to the All Active Alerts view, we can see here that my individual virtual machine is experiencing a disk space percentage issue. Each of the alerts has detailed product knowledge, so you don't need to be an expert within the VMware vCenter infrastructure or a VCP. We're able to provide summary information, potential causes, as well as potential resolutions to these problems. The Veeam Management Pack also links out to external knowledge sources directly from VMware themselves or Microsoft themselves. The Tasks pane allows us to drill in and get further information as it relates to each of the individual objects. Here we can see we have a disk space problem. So here we can drill into this individual virtual machine and see which data store, which host, CPU issues, memory problems, as well as any open snapshots on this virtual machine, or even perform I/O analysis. We provide detailed information about clusters, data stores, hosts, and virtual machines. The top clusters dashboard allows us to see all the information about your cluster infrastructure. Also within the Veeam Management Pack, we're able to now report on VMware Virtual SAN. By default, there are 70 out-of-the-box alerts and monitors that allow you to get the necessary level of visibility into your VMware vSAN infrastructure. One of my personal favorite features of the Veeam Management Pack is the morning coffee dashboard. What's the first thing that you do whenever you come into the office in the morning? That's right, you check to see the status of the infrastructure. Do I have any fires that I need to go put out today? The Veeam Management Pack also allows you to customize these dashboards. Here we can see I have a custom morning coffee dashboard. This is looking at my VMware vCenter infrastructure. By configuring this dashboard, we're able to choose the management pack. So would we like to monitor my VMware or Hyper-V installations, as well as the scope of the objects that we would like to look at. Here we can see that I'm looking at my NFS data stores, my vCenters, virtual machines, as well as the hosts. These groups are out-of-the-box groups that are created simply by installing the Veeam management pack. Once we configure and finish this, we can get the necessary level of information that we're looking for. This is great for remote branch offices, where I might have separate VMware installs or separate Hyper-V installations, along with IT staff at each of those locations. They can obtain the necessary level of detailed information as it relates and pertains to the environment that they're managing. Monitoring is one aspect of it, but what about historical reporting or capacity planning? The Veeam Management Pack for System Center Operations Manager provides detailed report packs for your VMware vSphere, your Microsoft Hyper-V, as well as your Veeam backup and replication environments. One report I'd like to highlight for you folks is the Infrastructure Summary Report. Whenever you install and configure the Veeam Management Pack, all of the historical data is stored in the Operations Manager data warehouse for historical reporting purposes. There's configuration information as well as detailed performance information that is stored. The Infrastructure Summary Report allows you to see specifically what the environment looks like. So here we can see I have scoped my report at all of my data stores as well as all of my hosts. If you've created custom groups or custom objects within Operations Manager, those can be reported upon as well.
Now that you have seen how System Center Operations Manager and the Veeam Management Pack provide app-to-metal visibility of your VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Veeam backup and replication environments, head over to veeam.com for more information.